In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online to automate transaction categorization. Bank rules are a simple way to save time and keep your books consistent by telling QuickBooks how to handle repeating patterns in your bank feed. Instead of sorting the same kinds of deposits or expenses over and over, you can set up a rule once and let QuickBooks do the heavy lifting. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and open Accounting. Then select Rules. This is your home base for creating, viewing, and managing all your automation. To make a new one, click New Rule in the top right. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Think along the lines of Monthly Software Subscription or Client Deposit, Project A. Next, decide whether the rule applies to Money In, which covers deposits and income, or Money Out, which covers payments and expenses. Choosing the right direction ensures QuickBooks looks for the correct type of transaction. Select the bank account or accounts this rule should apply to. You can make a rule broad across multiple accounts or limit it to a single checking or credit card account, depending on your needs. Now set the conditions under. Include the following. The most reliable option is Description Contains, where you enter text that consistently appears in your bank feed, such as a vendor name or a unique keyword. You can also use Bank Text Contains if the detail you need appears in the bank's memo field. If it helps narrow things down, add an amount condition using amount is or is not. The goal is to be specific enough to catch the right transactions without being so strict that you miss legitimate matches. Under Then, tell QuickBooks what to do when those conditions are met. Choose the transaction type, such as expense, deposit, or check, so it's recorded properly. Select the correct category or account to post to, like software expense, office supplies, or sales. If you have a regular vendor or customer for these transactions, add a payee to keep your records tidy. You can also set a tax if that applies to your region and workflow. If you're confident the rule is precise, you can check Automatically Confirm Transactions this rule applies to. That lets QuickBooks add them for you without manual review. If you're still testing the rule, leave it unchecked so you can review matches first. Finally, click Save to activate the rule. From here on, QuickBooks will apply it to new transactions that meet your conditions, helping you work faster and stay consistent. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.